Hey guys, we had an issue, like a knocking issue while driving, or okay, and it sounded like your shocks are bad or something, but everything was replaced. As you can see, pretty much everything is new. These arms, this, the shock absorber, but we did not replace this one here, this lower arm. And look at this. It's actually very bad. It actually moved. This rubber right there, this rubber right here is actually ripped off, and this arm moved to the front, as you can see. So that's why I was knocking pretty bad while driving. And this is just one arm right now. Okay, and here's the new one. This is how it should look. And once we remove the old one, we will show you what happened. So pretty much the whole thing right here came off. It
came
loose
in between, between the rubber.
And the rubber.
Fitting.
Or what is it called? The rubber bushing or something went bad. So okay, guys, this is what I was talking about. You can see that this is loose. It came out, but it has to be like this. This is kind of okay here, but this is very bad. And this is just one arm on the driver's side. Okay, and in order to remove this here, there's like, you have to remove this bar here, this one, and there will be
a bolt right in there.
Bolt right here, and a nut right here. So you simply remove it and pull it out through there and install a new one. And sometimes it helps to turn the wheel back and forth to remove it from here, this lower arm. And we disconnected this here and dropped it, and this way we were able to remove the lower arm. And of course you remove this one, the shock absorber, and that's how you remove it. Okay, here's the second one, the passenger side. As you can see, it's ripped here and right here, and there's like a split here, and not just here, same to the other side. See, it's ripped on the inside as well. So yeah, that's how you fix the knocking sound while driving. It sounds like your shock absorber is bad or something like that. When you go over bumps, like small bumps on the road, this is how you fix it. So if this video was helpful, like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.